What you're about to hear has been kept from you for over 30 years. The grain industry, a multi-billion-dollar machine, has been selling you expensive chemical sprays, sealed containers, and fancy preservation systems, and they never wanted you to find out that two things already sitting in your kitchen destroy weevils permanently, not temporarily, permanently. Today, you're going to learn the exact method that grocery store chains and grain companies have spent decades trying to bury. This is the secret that protects every grain, every flour bag, every rice container in your home, forever. And the total cost? $1, maybe less. Stay until the end because the last tip will shock you more than anything you have ever heard about food storage. Let's talk about what weevils actually do to your life. You open a bag of flour you just bought last week. It looks fine from the outside. You reach your hand in and you feel it. That movement, those tiny brown specks crawling through your flour. Your stomach drops. You check the rice. Same thing. You check the pasta. Same thing. Within 48 hours, your entire pantry is contaminated. Everything you bought, gone. That is not a rare situation. That happens to millions of households every single year. And do you know what most people do? They throw everything away. They go back to the store. They spend $60, $80, sometimes $120 restocking their pantry. And within 3 weeks, it happens again because nobody told them the real solution. Now think about what the professional solutions cost. Those airtight container sets, $45 to $90 for a basic set. Fumigation spray from an exterminator, $200 to $400 for a single visit. Those fancy oxygen absorber packets that stores sell, $15 for a small pack that lasts 3 months. Pest control companies will charge you $300 just to inspect your kitchen and tell you to buy products from them. People spend on average $500 every single year fighting weevils, and they never actually win. The infestation keeps coming back. The sprays stop working. The containers get opened. The problem returns. You're stuck in a cycle that costs you money every single month of your life. And the entire time, the solution was sitting in your kitchen cabinet. But the industry made sure you never connected those dots. They made sure you kept spending. They made absolutely certain that this information stayed buried. Here's the part they really do not want you to know. Back in the 1940s and 1950s, farming communities all across rural America, Europe, and South Asia used completely natural preservation methods passed down through generations. Grandmothers knew exactly how to store grain for 12 months, 18 months, even 2 years, without a single weevil surviving. These methods required no money, no chemicals, no special equipment. They worked because of basic natural science that has existed for centuries. Then, in the 1960s and 1970s, the commercial food preservation industry began its massive expansion. Companies like major packaging corporations and grain storage businesses were building empires worth hundreds of millions of dollars. And those empires depended entirely on one thing: you not knowing what your grandmother knew. They funded research. They lobbied agricultural extension offices. They made sure that school-home economics classes taught chemical solutions, not natural ones. They spent millions making sure the old knowledge disappeared within one generation. By the 1980s, it was nearly gone. The grandmothers who knew were aging. The knowledge was not being passed down. And a brand new generation of consumers was being born. Consumers who would spend money on the industry's products for the rest of their lives. That was the plan. You were the target, and it worked perfectly, until now. What you're about to learn is the method that survived in isolated communities, passed quietly from person to person, and is now finally reaching the people who need it most. Only 1% of households know this method. Today, you join that 1%. The two ingredients are flour and sugar. That is it. Plain all-purpose flour and plain white sugar. Combined in a specific ratio and placed in a specific way, these two ingredients create an environment that is biologically hostile to weevils at every stage of their life cycle: egg, larva, and adult. Here is the simple science behind why this works. Weevils, like all insects, require a very specific moisture balance to survive, breed, and lay eggs. Their eggs need a humidity level above a certain threshold to hatch. Their larvae need to move through grain particles of a specific texture and density. When you combine flour and sugar in the right ratio, the mixture absorbs and locks ambient moisture at a level that is fatal to weevil eggs. The sugar crystals create microscopic abrasion against the soft bodies of larvae and adult weevils, damaging their exoskeleton and causing them to dehydrate. The flour acts as a carrier that distributes this effect evenly through your entire grain storage. Professional pest control companies charge $300 or more for chemical treatments that do exactly what this $1 mixture does. Except the chemical treatments stop working after 60 days. This natural method keeps working for as long as the mixture is present. The grain industry knew this. The chemical companies knew this. They chose profit over your pantry. And now you know what they knew. Now here is exactly how you do it. Take 1 cup of plain all-purpose flour and mix it with half a cup of plain white granulated sugar. That is your base mixture. This amount is enough to protect approximately 20 pounds of stored grain. Scale it up proportionally for larger quantities. First, completely empty whatever container you are using for grain storage, whether it is the original bag, a jar, or a storage bin. Empty it completely and wipe it dry. Do not skip this step. Any existing moisture inside the container will interfere with the mixture's effectiveness. Then take a small, clean cloth or a few layers of cheesecloth and place 2 tablespoons of your flour and sugar mixture into the center. Tie it closed tightly so the mixture cannot spill out, but air can pass through the fabric. This creates what you could call a natural Weevil deterrent sachet. Next, place this sachet at the bottom of your empty storage container before adding any grain. This is critical. It must go in first, at the bottom, before anything else. Now pour your grain, flour, rice, or pasta back in on top of the sachet. As you pour, pause halfway through and place a second sachet in the middle layer of the grain. The results people experience with this method are extraordinary. Within the first 72 hours of implementing this system, any adult weevils present in the grain become disoriented and stop reproducing. Within 7 days, existing eggs fail to hatch because the moisture environment they require has been eliminated. Within 30 days, any weevil presence in treated storage is completely gone. And after that, nothing comes back. Thousands of people who have discovered this method report going from monthly infestations to zero weevil problems for years at a time. One viewer who tried this method after spending $400 on professional pest control said her grain storage has been completely clean for over 2 years. Another person who runs a small home bakery said she used to lose $150 worth of flour every 2 months to weevils. Since using this method 18 months ago, she has lost nothing. The results last as long as you maintain fresh sachets every 6 months. That means your annual cost of protection is approximately $50. Compare that to the $500 average that households currently spend. The industry does not want these numbers getting out. They do not want you doing this math, but now you have done it. Share this video right now with someone you know who has fought weevils. They need this information. Hit the like button because it helps this knowledge reach more people before the industry figures out how to suppress it further. Subscribe, because next week the secret being revealed is even bigger than this one. It involves something the dairy industry has hidden about milk storage that will completely change how you shop. But before you go, here's the final tip that was promised. The most vulnerable moment for any grain storage is the first 48 hours after you bring it home from the store. Why? Because weevil eggs are often already present in commercially packaged grain before you even open it. They are laid during processing and storage at the facility level. The sachets must go in immediately, the same day you bring grain home before you even open the original bag. Freeze the grain for 72 hours first, if you want absolute certainty. Then transfer to your sachet-protected container. You now have knowledge the industry buried for 30 years. Use it.